Have you ever felt trapped by your own thoughts, as if they were controlling your entire reality? One moment you feel hopeful and confident, and the next you are overwhelmed by doubt and fear. It feels like an endless cycle where no matter how hard you try to stay positive, negative thoughts seem to creep in. What if I told you that you do not have to be controlled by your mind, that there is a way to detach from the chaos of your thoughts and step into your true power as the creator of your reality? Today, you are going to learn how to become the observer of your thoughts using the law of assumption, so that you can break free from limiting beliefs and step into the life you truly desire. Neville Goddard taught that consciousness is the only reality. Your outer world is nothing more than a reflection of what is happening within you. If you have ever wondered why certain patterns keep repeating in your life, it is because your dominant inner state is constantly recreating them. The good news is that you do not have to fight your thoughts or force yourself to be positive all the time. Instead, the key is to observe your thoughts without identifying with them. When you become the observer, you reclaim your power. You shift from reacting to life to deliberately creating it. Right now, you may be thinking this sounds simple in theory, but in practice, it feels impossible. You are not alone in this struggle. Most people have spent their entire lives identifying with their thoughts, believing that every single one must be true just because it appears in their mind. But here is a shocking fact. Studies show that over 80% of our daily thoughts are negative, and more than 90% are simply repetitive patterns from the past. This means that most of what you think daily is not even new or true. It is just old conditioning running on a loop. The moment you step back and observe your thoughts instead of reacting to them is the moment you take back control over your mind and therefore your reality. Think of your mind like a busy train station. Thoughts are the trains passing by. Most people automatically jump on every train without realizing it. One negative thought appears and suddenly they are carried away imagining the worst-case scenarios. But what if instead of jumping on every train, you stood on the platform and simply observed them passing by? This is what it means to become the observer. You no longer chase thoughts or fight them. You simply notice them and let them go. Neville Goddard often spoke about living in the end, assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled. This is where observing your thoughts becomes a powerful tool. Instead of reacting to every passing doubt or fear, you choose which thoughts to entertain. You see the thought that says it will never happen, but instead of believing it, you simply watch it drift away. Then you consciously bring in the thought that aligns with your desired reality. You assume the state of already having what you want. The more you do this, the more your subconscious mind begins to accept this new state as your dominant reality. Some people may wonder if this means ignoring reality or pretending that problems do not exist. Not at all. Observing your thoughts does not mean denying challenges. It means refusing to let them define you. It means choosing to focus your energy on the reality you prefer rather than the one you do not want. The more you practice this, the more natural it becomes. And here is another surprising fact. Scientific studies on mindfulness and neuroplasticity have shown that observing your thoughts without reacting to them can physically rewire your brain within weeks. Your brain forms new neural pathways based on what you focus on. When you stop engaging with negative thought patterns, they weaken and eventually fade. Hey, I've got something exciting to share with you. Are you ready to boost your confidence, attract positivity, and feel more at peace? My new ebook, Powerful and Positive Affirmations to Change Your Life in 30 Days, is the ultimate guide to creating lasting change. With daily affirmations, guided meditations, and visualization techniques, this 30-day challenge will help you feel more motivated, confident, and purposeful. And the best part, it's only $4.99. Start your transformation today. Grab your copy and watch your life change. Imagine waking up one morning feeling completely free from the weight of your old limiting beliefs. You move through your day with a deep sense of calm and certainty. You no longer react impulsively to doubts. Instead, you observe them like clouds drifting in the sky. You remind yourself that you are the creator of your reality, and your dominant state is what shapes your world. This is the shift that happens when you become the observer of your thoughts. Now let's make this practical so you can apply it starting today. The first step is to become aware of your thoughts throughout the day. Set an intention in the morning that you will observe your mind instead of reacting to it. When a negative thought arises, pause for a moment and mentally step back. Remind yourself that just because a thought appears does not mean it is true. The second step is to redirect your focus. Instead of engaging with the negative thought, choose a new one that aligns with the reality you want to experience. If your mind says you are not good enough, observe it and let it go. Then consciously affirm, I am worthy and capable of creating the life I desire. Some people struggle with this at first because they are so used to identifying with every thought. If this happens to you, do not judge yourself. Simply return to being the observer. With time and practice, your mind will naturally begin to detach from old limiting patterns. Another effective method Neville taught was revision. If during the day you catch yourself reacting to a thought or assumption that does not serve you, do not panic. Before you go to sleep, mentally revise the situation as if you had responded differently. This technique reprograms your subconscious mind so that over time, new empowering beliefs replace old ones. To help you integrate this into your daily life, let's do a short guided meditation together. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Hold it for a moment and gently release it. Feel yourself relaxing into the present moment. Imagine yourself standing on a peaceful hill overlooking a vast landscape. In the sky above you, thoughts begin to appear like passing clouds. Some are light and positive, while others are heavy and dark. But instead of reacting to them, you simply watch. You do not chase the clouds. You do not try to push them away. You simply observe them, knowing they have no power over you unless you engage with them. Now bring to mind a desire you have been working on manifesting. See yourself already living that reality. Feel the emotions of having it. Imagine the confidence and joy of knowing it is already yours. Hold on to this feeling for a moment, allowing it to fill your entire being. Now, as you slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment, carry this feeling with you, knowing that the more you practice observing your thoughts and aligning with your desired state, the faster your reality will shift. You now have the tools to reclaim your power and consciously create your life. The more you practice being the observer, the more effortless your manifestations will become. Every thought you entertain is a seed planted in the garden of your reality. Choose wisely and watch as your world transforms before your eyes. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and share this video so more people can discover these powerful teachings. Leave a comment below sharing what resonated with you the most, and subscribe for more insights on mastering the law of assumption. Your reality is yours to shape, and it all begins within you.